What's up everybody, it's your man MKBHD here. Today we're diving into the world of automation. It's changing how we work and live. No more repetitive tasks, automation takes care of that. This means more time for the stuff you actually enjoy. Let's be real, nobody wants to spend hours on boring, repetitive tasks. That's where automation comes in. Imagine emails sorting themselves, tasks getting done automatically, and your to-do list shrinking before your eyes. That's the power of automation, and it's only getting started. In this video we're going to explore a tool that makes automation accessible to everyone, n8n. We'll break it down step by step, so even if you're new to this, you'll be automating like a pro in no time. Stick around, and let's unlock the future of productivity together. So, what is n8n? In a nutshell, it's a powerful tool that lets you connect different apps and automate tasks between them. Think of it as the glue that holds your digital life together. The best part? You don't need to be a coding wizard to use it. n8n is built with a visual workflow editor. This means you can drag, drop, and connect different blocks to create your automations. It's like building with digital Legos. Trust me, if I can do it, you can too. We're talking about connecting apps you use every day like Gmail, Slack, Trello, and tons more. n8n has got you covered. Whether you're sending automatic emails, organizing tasks, or even managing social media, n8n makes it a breeze. It's time to say goodbye to manual work and hello to automation. Now, you might be thinking, setting up a powerful tool like this must be complicated, right? Wrong. n8n is surprisingly easy to get started with. They offer a cloud-based version, so you don't have to worry about any complex installations. Just head over to their website, create an account, and boom, you're in. It's that simple. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface. Don't be intimidated, we'll walk through it together. n8n also offers a desktop app if you prefer to work offline. They've made sure that getting started is a smooth experience, no matter your preference. So, are you ready to dive into the world of automation? Let's do it. Alright, let's get our hands dirty and create our first workflow. One of the most common uses for n8n is automating emails. Imagine this, you receive an email from a specific sender, and n8n automatically sends a pre-written reply, no more manual responses. To do this we'll use two blocks, a Gmail trigger and a Gmail send email action. The trigger will activate our workflow whenever a new email arrives in our inbox. The send email action, you guessed it, will send out our automated reply. We can even customize the email content with information from the original email. This means you can personalize your automated responses and make them look super professional. Pretty cool, right? Section 5, Conquering Task Management with n8n. Task management can often feel overwhelming, especially when juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and tools. But what if there was a way to simplify it all? Enter n8n, a game changer in the world of automation. You know, email automation is just the tip of the iceberg. With n8n, you can go far beyond automating emails and dive into streamlining your entire workflow. n8n can also totally revolutionize your task management. Whether you're managing a team or just your personal to-do list, n8n can help you stay organized and efficient. So imagine this, you're working on a project in Trello, and you need to automatically create a task in your to-do list app every time a new card is added to your Trello board. This is just one example of how n8n can seamlessly connect your favorite tools. Sounds pretty handy, right? But it doesn't stop there. n8n allows you to customize workflows to fit your unique needs, making it a truly versatile tool. Well, with n8n, it's a piece of cake. Here's how it works. You start by setting up a trigger, like a new card being added to your Trello board. We can set up a workflow that triggers whenever a new card is added to our Trello board. This trigger acts as the starting point for your automation. Then, we simply use a to-do list action to create a matching task in our preferred app. This ensures that no task slips through the cracks. No more switching between apps or manually creating tasks. n8n takes care of it all for you. It's like having a personal assistant that works tirelessly in the background. And honestly, the possibilities are endless. You can integrate n8n with countless apps and services to create workflows that are as simple or as complex as you need. You can automatically assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and even prioritize tasks based on urgency or importance, and even get notifications when a task is completed. This keeps everyone on the same page and ensures that progress is always visible. It's like having your very own productivity assistant. Imagine the time and energy you can save by automating repetitive tasks. With n8n, you're in complete control of your workflow. You can tweak and adjust your automations to suit your evolving needs. It saves you time, and let's be real, it reduces the risk of errors. Pretty awesome, right? So why not give it a try and see how n8n can transform the way you manage tasks? Section 6 and 8n for beginners, no coding required. If you've ever felt intimidated by the idea of automation because you think it requires advanced programming skills, you're not alone. But here's the good news, n8n is here to change that. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but I'm not a programmer. Maybe you've tried other tools before and felt overwhelmed, or perhaps you've avoided automation altogether because it seemed too technical. Can I still use n8n? Absolutely. n8n was built with simplicity in mind, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. That's the beauty of it. You don't need to write a single line of code to start creating powerful workflows that save you time and effort. n8n is designed with beginners in mind. Its intuitive interface ensures that even if you're completely new to automation, you can dive right in without feeling lost. You don't need any coding experience to start automating your work. Whether you're managing tasks, organizing data, or streamlining processes, n8n makes it all straightforward. Remember the visual workflow editor we talked about? That's your secret weapon. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to automate without the hassle of learning programming languages. It allows you to create complex workflows simply by dragging, dropping, and connecting different blocks. No coding, no confusion, just results. It's like piecing together a puzzle. But instead of a pretty picture, you get a powerful automation. Each block represents a step in your workflow, and you can customize it to fit your needs. n8n also offers tons of pre-built templates and a supportive community to help you get started. These templates are perfect for beginners, giving you a head start on your automation journey. So, even if you get stuck, you're never really alone. The n8n community is filled with helpful users and resources to guide you every step of the way. Jump in, experiment, and you'll be surprised how easy it is to become an automation pro. With n8n, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't need to be a coder to unlock them. Section 7. Master n8n in a day. Tips and tricks. Ready to become an n8n ninja? Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, these tips will help you unlock the full potential of n8n. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you master it in just one day. With a little focus and creativity, you'll be automating like a pro in no time. First, start with the basics. Take some time to explore the platform and understand its core features. Familiarize yourself with the interface, nodes, and connections. These are the building blocks of every workflow you create. n8n offers great documentation and tutorials to get you up to speed. From beginner guides to advanced use cases, there's something for everyone. Second, think about your workflows. What processes in your daily routine could be automated to save time and effort? Identify repetitive tasks in your daily routine that you can automate. This could be anything from sending emails to updating spreadsheets. This will give you a clear goal to work towards. Third, use pre-built templates. These templates are a great way to jumpstart your learning. n8n has a library of templates for common workflows. These templates can help you understand how different nodes work together. This can save you time and help you understand how to build your own. You can even customize these templates to suit your specific needs. Fourth, don't be afraid to experiment. Dive in and try out different combinations of nodes and connections. Honestly, the best way to learn is by doing. Experimentation will not only teach you the platform but also spark new ideas for automation. Play around with different nodes and connections to see what you can create. The possibilities are endless when you let your creativity flow. And finally, join the community. Collaboration and shared knowledge can accelerate your learning process. The n8n community is incredibly helpful and supportive. You'll find forums, groups, and even live events to connect with other users. Don't hesitate to ask questions or share your creations. Your ideas might inspire others, and their feedback can help you improve. By following these tips and dedicating a day to learning, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve with n8n. So, take the leap and start your automation journey today. Section 8. The future is automated. Be ahead of the curve. Automation is not just a buzzword, it's the future of work. As technology continues to advance, those who embrace automation will have a significant advantage. They'll be more efficient, productive, and able to focus on higher-level tasks. By mastering tools like n8n, you're not just learning a new skill, you're investing in your future. You're becoming future-proof by adapting to the changing demands of the workplace. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to simplify their life, automation is a skill worth learning. Section 9. Conclusion: subscribe for more tech awesomeness. That's it for today's video. I hope you're as excited about the potential of automation as I am. n8n is a game changer, making this technology accessible to everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start automating your life today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome tech content. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to automate with n8n. Until next time, peace out.